such a joy to hear the profound words of His Eminence the Grand Imam Al-Tayyib and His Holiness Pope Francis. What a beautiful message by His Eminence the Grand Imam, who extended his gratitude to His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed, representing the patron of the ceremony, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. As we come to the close of this inspiring evening, let us take a moment to reflect on the values that have brought us together: unity, solidarity, and the shared belief that humanity's strength lies in our ability to stand together. I am thrilled to welcome back Putri Aryani, whose voice has already captivated us this evening with some talented special guests. They will perform Rise Up, reminding us all of the resilience of the human spirit and the strength found in collective action. We are gathered here tonight, locally and globally, from near and far, bound by a shared devotion to equality, dignity, and solidarity for all. As we depart uplifted by the stories of our honorees, let us take heed, one thread of kindness, one strand of hope at a time, to weave a brighter future.
You've broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we're gonna walk it out. Mountains, we gonna walk it out. Mountains, and I rise up, I rise like the day, and I rise up, I rise unafraid, I rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. And I rise up, high like the waves, I rise up, in spite of the ache, I rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. Rise up, I rise like the day, and I rise up, in spite of the ache, I rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. And I rise up, high like the waves, I rise up, in spite of the ache, and I do it 1,000 times
Please join me in a round of applause for Putri Aryani and the Abu Dhabi Youth Choir for the incredible performance. To support us in bringing tonight's ceremony to its conclusion, we welcome to the stage Secretary General of the Zayed Award for Human Fraternity and lead of the judging committee, His Excellency Judge Mohammed Abdel Salam. And now I'm honored to welcome to the stage His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan, UAE Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs, to present the Zayed Award for Human Fraternity certificates on behalf of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage 2025 honoree 15-year-old Heyman Bekali. Let us warmly welcome to the stage and now let us warmly welcome to the stage 2025 honoree Erin Gore, CEO of World Central Kitchen. We now invite to the stage 2025 honoree, the Honorable Mia Mor Motley. Let's take a moment to recognize and welcome to the stage 2025 Judging Committee member, the Right Honourable Patricia Scotland KC. With great admiration, we welcome to the stage 2025 Judging Committee member, His Eminence Cardinal Peter Turkson. It's a privilege to introduce and invite to the stage 2025 Judging Committee member, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. And it's an honor to welcome to the stage 2025 Judging Committee member, His Excellency José Luis Rodrigo Zapatero. join me in welcoming to the stage 2025 Judging Committee member, His Excellency Macky SALL. Now, put your hands together for His Excellency Judge Mohammed Abdel Salam.